Today we'll be unboxing and taking a look at the Wacker Neuson PST2 400 2-inch submersible pump. This pump was built for the demands of construction, mining, municipality, and farm applications. It can handle solids up to 1/4 of an inch for fast dewatering. It features a built-in thermal protection that helps prevent motor damage. And inside the pump is a 1/2 HP motor and a 20-inch cord that you can plug straight into a wall outlet. This is everything that comes included in the box. Thank you so much for watching. You can find this pump along with other OEM parts over on our website, GCIRON.com.